This is the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JL Unlimited Jackpot Edition. Coming in gloss and matte black with a Luxor black and red interior, this can be yours today from Reserve Auto Group. Fully custom with a 3-inch lift, LRG wheels with 35-inch tires, bodyguard kit, Rhino kit, tow hooks, a Smitty belt winch, light bars, and more, this custom build is coined the Jackpot Edition for its custom two-tone gloss black and hot rod style matte black paint with lipstick red pinstriping. The interior houses a beautiful black Napa leather with red stitching and nylon handles to match.